How can you cast Android to Windows 10? Here's some easy ways to stay in control of your Android phone from a machine with a larger screen. Before we get started, let's know what the words related to screencasting mean. Part 2. How to cast Android to Windows 10 with Screen Mirror. Would you like to adventure action games voraciously on a larger screen? By streaming Android or iOS devices to a computer in various situations? Just take a glance at Screen Mirror. Install Screen Mirror on your computer. Connect your device via USB and select Transfer Files. On your Android, enable Developer Options, Settings About Phone. Software Information, tap Build Number several times. Enable USB debugging. Grant permissions, tap Turn on for Android Screen Mirror APK download. Screen successfully mirrored to PC. Use keyboard and mouse for social activities. Part 3. How to mirror Android to Windows 10 via Connect app. Open Windows Start menu. Click gear icon. Install Connect app. In Windows Settings, select Apps, then Optional Features. Tap Add a feature. Choose Wireless Display. Install. Open Connect app. Cast Android screen to Windows 10. Part 4. How to screen share Android to Windows 10 via Let's View. Download Let's View from Google Play. Connect Android and PC to the same Wi-Fi. Run Let's View on PC. Click code icon. Activate Let's View on Android. Select second option. Scan PC's QR code. Control Android on your computer. Part 5. How to mirror Android to PC Windows 10 with Vicer. Install Vicer for Windows on PC. Connect phone via USB. Enable USB debugging on Android. Run Vicer installer on PC. Tap View when device is detected to project Android screen to computer. Part 6. How to cast Android phone to Windows 10 via AirDroid. Download AirDroid Cast on Windows PC. Open AirDroid Cast desktop client. Log in or get premium. Connect phone to PC via USB. Select device. Phone screen mirrors on computer. Trust prompt. Part 7. How to display Android screen on Windows 10 using Mobizen. Install Mobizen on Android phone and PC. Enable USB debugging on Android. Open app on phone. Log in. Install and open app on PC. Select USB or wireless. Click Start Now to begin screen mirroring.